We receive many emails a day that we don't even know who sent. Irrelevant or inappropriate message sent on the internet to a large number of recipients is called spam. This spam is said to be like the famous canned ham spam that we commonly know. But how did it come to be named and used? Spam was first produced by American company Home Foods. Spam was made by processing the parts that are not sold well due to high fat. This was the beginning of spam. The price was cheap, but the taste was better than they thought. So it became very popular and became the main product of this company. Then, World War II broke out. The German military blocked the sea supply route to Britain. So the supply and the demand of goods was difficult and it was not easy to get meat. Because of this, they could eat a lot of spam, which is supported by aircraft in the US. At first, they thought it was tasty, but at the end of the war, it is said that British didn't like to look at the spam because they ate a lot. Later, in the 1970s, British comedy group Monty Python produced a comedy program that satirized spam that they once fed with. At the end of the video, the word spam is inserted into the credit to create a program that has nothing but spam. Through this comedy program, spam has the meaning of a lot of stuff that I don't want. And over time, this idea has been added to useless mails and advertisements that are sent indiscriminately.